you guys can tell by the shirt, we're gonna be unboxing a very special shoe today. Just because of the hype around it, and I'm ready to see these in hand right after this. What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know by now, my name is Josh, also known as OOSKicks. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and smash that like button because you know it helps out your boy in the YouTube algorithm. All right, today we are going to be unboxing a special package from my guy, Black Diamond. His IG is going to be right here. My boy Chris sent over one shoe for us to go ahead and review. Go and check it out. Man, I gotta tell you a story about this one. This was actually almost lost by my UPS, which is crazy because this probably would have been like the biggest L I would ever have taken so far in 2021, but luckily they were able to locate the package. I guess like there's this thing called like access point for UPS, and it's totally different when you have a box and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and open this up. I think this is like a reused Nike box, which is wow, Chris, we're gonna have a talk after this, my guy. All right, so we're gonna pop it open. Oh my gosh, this box already. Y'all know what it is with the shirt that I'm wearing. We have the iconic Air Jordan 1 Low. That's like a 2.0. Is that what we're referencing this to? But this one is a size 11. MSRP for this one was, it's cut off here, but I think it was like $150. You have like this packaging of the plastic Travis, and you'll see a little bit of a glare, but I think this was super dope. Something that they're doing to the highs that they did not do to the original releases. You can see here it has the cactus, you have the Nike Air, you got the Fragment design. So definitely a dope collab, one for the ages, and I'm pretty sure that the Nike's not gonna stop there. I mean, why fix something that's not broken, you know what I'm saying? So you got the iconic Jordan box, but this one is the white and blue. I talked about my videos where they are utilizing these different color boxes for different types of releases, so you can just kind of see. I believe this is a US pair because you don't have any of the like the Asian writing here, so definitely depends on the on like kind of the material of it. But you have here the iconic pink paper right here, Nike Air Fragment design. Again, a collaboration for the ages. And I think that these prices are just gonna continue going up, my boy. Chris, you outdid yourself with this one, man. Here it is right here. I need to stand up for this because this is a very iconic shoe. Here it is with the lace bags, all attached, brand new. You have the backwards swoosh that's on the Air Jordan 1 Low. You got the white color blocking here on the leather. Leather is actually pretty similar to all different ones. It's not like the best, but got like the black top here, and then you got the slightly yellow tongue, which I think does definitely give a good contrast in terms of the whiteness here. So you have the like the off-white pale here, and then also, you know, the off-white midsole, and then you got the tongue, which is dope. Sit back down for this, but let's just get a 360 on it. You got the cactus jack on the back, and then you got that Fragment, or this is actually the Travis one. I'll show the other pair where you have that part, but, and then you go around, back on, we got the black swoosh. I haven't seen a lot of reviews, or maybe I'm just missing out on YouTube in general. Haven't seen a lot of reviews on like Travis in hand, so definitely a dope pair to see. Like I said, on the tongue, what we love so much. Got that blue Nike Air in the white, white tongue, the tongue slap, and then you got the Fragment design, kind of the iconic what he does here. So what do you guys think about this shoe? I think there was a lot of controversy in terms of how this dropped. Not a lot of pairs got released, and then you got pictures of like floating of all these resellers that were copping it. So let's pull out that second pair just to see kind of the difference of it. But I think I like this pair better where it shows off that Fragment. You're gonna see a lot of like pairs that are not legit where this part isn't as, I guess you can say, standing out in terms of how it is on fakes. This one is kind of, it's like embellished within the leather. So definitely a dope mix how they kind of put Cactus Jack on one side and the Air Jordan with the Fragment design. So I definitely think that I need to size swap to get my personal pair, and then you have like these little, what Fragment does well in terms of kind of showing off little bits and pieces of, you saw this on the Dunks, and just kind of like these numberings that you have here. Let me see if I can focus in on that, maybe not. But definitely like cool touches to it, and I think that you're gonna see a lot of colorways in terms of this shoe. You already got the brown pair, and let me pull that out really quick. Hold on. It's downstairs. I just wore them recently, but actually I'm going to go get them. Hold on. Let's compare them really quick. I haven't done this in a long time, but this is the first release, and I don't know, I like this like coffee look compared to this one. The blue kind of like stands out itself, but can't go wrong with both of them. You have that swoosh. I was looking at them, and the swoosh is definitely different on this pair. It's white versus this one where it's yellow. So I'm kind of interested to see how it's gonna age in terms of when you keep rocking it and everything. So yeah, I definitely like them. What do you guys think? Do you think this pair is better? You guys, this one, would you wear them on 2 different feet? Nah, that ain't happening. But definitely one for the collection. You're gonna need one of these if you are a sneakerhead, and hopefully you can get a good solid price on them. I think resale right now is about like $1,300 to $1,500 depending on the price or depending on the size. So definitely you should cop this if you can, and can't wait to see fits, because definitely these are going to be a great winter shoe as much as a summer shoe. Can't wait to see people rock these. I've seen people tell me that they are comfy as hell, and I cannot wait to get my size. So let me know what you guys think below. Is this one of the hypest releases that have happened in 2021? I think so. We got something coming for the highs, I'm telling you, in December. Hopefully everything goes well, and then we'll go from there. But again, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for rocking with me and allowing me to make these videos. And let me know what shoe you guys want me to review next, but definitely think these are gonna be one for the ages. All right, y'all, with that being said, we'll see you on the next video. And always remember, stay in stock with OOSKicks. Peace!
You change overnight, you out of sight, you magnify your